You like the Malibu? You got expensive taste too.
Yeah, I like this one because
I like the blue one though, not the red.
no, I like this one because it doesn't have any black on it.
Right.
The only black on it is at the top, and at least it doesn't have black on it.
You don't like black boats?
No, they're so basic.
I would like that like light blue one if it wasn't.
I want a white one with pink on it.
White boat with pink?
Yeah, like I want this to be white and then
Yeah.
like the stripe to be
If
pink.
the black and gray were baby pink,
Yeah.
gold.
Yeah.
I also love this
Or
too,
this
like
with
rock
pink. Like this instead of the black with like a pink.
Uh-huh.
That looks so good. Do they even make pink boats?
I have never saw a pink boat, honestly.
Yeah,
I want a baby pink boat.
You want a baby pink boat?
I want a hot pink boat.
Baby pink, white, and gray.
I want just like a hot pink boat with the white on it. Like this.
Hot pink and white is
Do you think that any guy would buy a pink
I
boat?
don't care. It's not for the guy. It's for me.
So you're gonna make enough money to be able to pay for it?
No.
Hopefully you will be.
My husband will.
You think your husband's gonna buy you a pink boat for fishing that you're not even gonna fish out of?
to take the babies out on boat days.
Yeah.
To what?
Take the baby out on boat days.
Like I love this, but not to fish, obviously. Just to like, you know.
So you like that boat better than you like the Malibu?
No, I never said that. I like the color of it.
Oh my gosh, imagine if that Malibu had hot pink instead of blue.
Like yeah,
And it
yeah.
had glitter.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I love
Because
glitter.
I think like light pink would look better with white, but like hot pink
Yeah.
would look better with black. I like this better, but it feels pink. Actually, no, I like this the way that it is. Like I like the inside how it's brown. You know.
What about the black top?
No, I don't think I'd want like that because those like it's a velvet